Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So now by double press on our power key we can see that we have any applied features. So just to activate a quick launch from the power key we should launch the settings application, and after that scroll down to the gestures and keys section, and just here we'll see the shortcut keys. Just to press power button twice on our device, we can now open the camera app, and now just double press to the power key, we can see that the camera app successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.